Monero, XMR, a digital currency that has been available since 2014, has seen a lot of price fluctuations in recent years. But what is it about Monero that sets it apart from other larger and more well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB? How is it that the price of the Monero showed these lovely upward lines earlier this year, despite a significant drop last year? And why is it currently moving sideways? Monero is also known as the sleeping crypto giant, which is understandable. In today's video, we'll take a look at this cryptocurrency and why it is so intriguing. I'll also explain why it's critical to keep a watch on the Monero price. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. Monero is the most popular cryptocurrency with a focus on privacy and censorship resistance. Because of its strong performance last year, Monero has become a favorite among investors and miners. It increased from $10 in January 2017 to $494 in January 2018, providing investors a 4,800% return. Isn't that incredible? The majority of existing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have transparent blockchains, which means that transactions can be verified and tracked by anyone in the world. Furthermore, the sending and receiving addresses for these transactions may be connected to a person's true identity. But Monero isn't built that way. Monero has a number of distinguishing characteristics, including, number 1, Monero transactions are completely anonymous and untraceable. Number 2, Monero is a completely decentralized initiative. Number 3, Monero is supported by a team of over 240 professional developers. Number 4, Monero is scalable due to the lack of fixed block size. Number 5, transactions in Monero are private and untraceable. The send and receive addresses as well as the amounts transacted are hidden by default in every Monero transaction. In contrast to selectively transparent cryptocurrencies, Monero's always-on privacy measure means that any user activity improves the privacy of other Monero users. Monero is also a fungible currency. This ensures that Monero can always be used without fear of being censored. Through I2P invisible internet project nodes, the Kovri project will track and encrypt transactions. This hides a transaction's IP address and adds to the protection against network surveillance. Monero is a grassroots community that draws the top cryptocurrency researchers and tech talent from around the world. The Monero project benefited from the contribution of over 240 people, including 30 core devs. The Monero forums and chat rooms are friendly and lively. Monero's research lab, core development team, and community developers are always pushing the envelope in terms of cryptocurrency, privacy, and security. Monero is not a business. It was created by cryptography and distributed system professionals from all around the world who volunteered their time or were supported by community donations. This means that Monero is not bound by any legal authority and cannot be closed by any government. A hard fork on the Bitcoin chain in 2014 resulted in the creation of a new digital asset. Monero had a more complicated name at first, Monero. However, a few days later, the team revealed the wallet interface and hack-proof code, persuading the community to change the coin's name to something more user-friendly. Monero is a cryptocurrency and decentralized blockchain ecosystem powered to the RandomX protocol. To perform anonymous transactions, the Monero cryptocurrency employs a one-time ring signature method. The investors were inspired by the worldwide language Esperanto while naming their coin. Monero is a private cryptocurrency thanks to ring signatures and hidden addresses. A ring signature is a digital signature that conceals the identity of the person who signed the transaction. On the Monero network, such signatures are created by combining sender keys and public keys on the blockchain. Hidden addresses are one-time use addresses produced with each transaction. They conceal the recipient's name as well as the transaction's destination address. Ring confidential transactions, ring CT, hide the transaction amount as well. This feature was added to the Monero network in January 2017 as a requirement for all the transactions. The proof of work or POW algorithm is used to verify network transactions. Miners are also attracted to the Monero coin, XMR, because its supply is limitless. When anonymity is required, the currency is utilized in transactions. Monero mining does not necessitate the use of an ASIC. An ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit, is a unique sort of Bitcoin mining hardware. An ASIC can cost anywhere from $600 to $1,000, making Bitcoin miners unappealing to all but the most dedicated Bitcoin miners. Fortunately, mining Monero does not require the purchase of an ASIC. Monero mining can instead be done with your computer's CPU, GPU. As a result, Monero is a suitable choice for novices and others who do not want to start mining with a large sum of money. You must first determine whether you will mine Monero on your own, solo mining, or you will join Monero mining pools before you begin mining. A mining pool is formed when a group of Monero Monero miners come together to pool their computer resources, and this increases their chances of successfully confirming transactions. However, the competition will be fierce. The prize they obtain from mining is also shared among the mining pool members. Most mining pools will charge you a pool fee, which is usually between 0 and 2%. Consider this. If you provide 5% of the total hardware power of the mining pool in which you participate, you will receive 5% of the total profits collected by the Monero mining pool. For novices, solo mining, which means mining by yourself, is not recommended, unless you're willing to invest a lot of money in mining hardware. Solo mining will not provide any results. Now let's look at the various Monero price predictions by experts. Many crypto experts believe that XMR will rise in the long run, as a result of the persistent hope that this currency will gain a lot more attention. The average exchange rate for XMR in 2023 might be $345. The lowest price might be approximately $330, while the highest price could be over $380. Considering that XMR is now selling at $186, this is a significant rise. Monero, according to Wallet Investor, could stay at its present price for a long time. XMR is predicted to reach $360 by the middle of 2022. If the market turns positive, the coin's minimum price might grow to $320 by the end of the year. Trading beasts predict that XMR will increase by around 110% in the next 3 years, climbing to $360 by the end of 2022 and $500 by the end of 2023. Trading beasts analysts believe that XMR has a bright future ahead of it and see no reason for it to crash. Monero's rate, according to Digital Coin Price, may continue to rise throughout the year. It might reach approximately $430 by the end of 2022, implying a 56% increase in prospective growth. Based on recent years' values, the minimum price of Monero in 2023 is expected to be around $264.15. The maximum XMR price that can be estimated is roughly $495.99. In 2023, the average trade price might be $400.20. The lowest and maximum pricing for XMR in 2024 are estimated to be around $398.99 and $471.46 respectively. The projected trading cost is $412.65 on average. The minimum XMR price is expected to rise to $578.90 in 2025, while the highest is expected to reach $688.13. The cost of trading will be roughly $599.54 on average. Some even believe that XMR will reach $1,000 by 2025 or sooner. Will you be investing in Monero? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope that you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I really hope to see you again. Continue learning about crypto, NFT, and the metaverse.